Hi everyone, a warm welcome. Myself Pitu Lambi with the Academy of Science and Technology. Today's topic is tangent line. We know the vector form of a curve in space is vector rt is equal to xti plus ytj plus ztk. Its parametric equations are x equal to x of t, y equal to y of t and z equal to z of t. We have its derivative vector r dash t is equal to x dash ti plus y dash tj plus z dash tk. That is d by dt of vector rt is equal to d by dt of xti plus d by dt of ytj plus d by dt of ztk. Geometrical interpretation of vector r dash t. Assume a particle is moving along the curve rt as shown below. Assume P be the point when t equal to t naught. If vector r dash t naught exists at t naught, then we call vector r dash t naught is the tangent vector at t naught, that is simply the tangent at t naught. Tangent to a curve at a given point is the straight line that just touches the curve at that point. Next, let me say what is a tangent line. In the figure, vector r dash t naught is called the tangent at p when t equal to t naught. Tangent line. We call the line through P that is parallel to the tangent at P as tangent line. Equation of tangent line through t equal to t naught is vector rt is equal to vector rt naught plus t into vector r dash t naught. That is, equation of the line passes through the point t equal to t naught and parallel to the tangent. Let me illustrate how to find tangent, tangent line and parametric equations of the tangent line of a given curve in problems. Here we have to find tangent to the curve vector rt is equal to t square minus 1 into I plus tj to t equal to 1. We know how to find tangent of a curve at a given t equal to t naught. Suppose we have the curve rt, then its tangent is r dash t, that is dr by dt. That is the geometrical meaning of the derivative dr by dt. This is tangent. Then how to find tangent at t equal to t naught? It is dr by dt at t equal to t naught. So here the curve is given as t square minus 1 into I plus tj. So what is dr by dt? dr by dt is, you have to differentiate with respect to t. It is 2ti plus j. See, this is the tangent. Next, we have to find tangent at t is equal to 1. So, you put t equal to 1 here. So, 2 into 1, that is 2. 2y plus j. See, this is the tangent of the given curve at t equal to 1. Next question is based on tangent line and its parametric representation. So, look at the question. Find the equation of tangent line to the curve vector rt is equal to t square I plus 2t cube j plus 3tk at t is equal to 1. Also write its parametric equations. See, it's a simple question. By answering this question, then you can answer any question regarding tangent line. We know equation of tangent line through t naught is vector rt is equal to rt naught plus t r dash t naught. See, this is the equation of tangent line of the curve rt through t naught. Here, t naught is given as 1. Vector rt, the curve is given as t square I plus t cube j plus 3tk. See, it's a space curve. So, this is the equation. For that, you find r dash t. What is r dash t? it is 2ti plus 6t square j plus 3k. You differentiate with respect to t. Then you find these two terms, r t naught and r dash t naught. R of t naught, that is r of 1. What is r of 1? See, this is vector rt. You put t is equal to 1. When t is equal to 1, this term is I, this term is 2j, this plus this term is 3k. Then vector r dash t naught, that is vector r dash of 1. You look at r dash t and you put t equal to 1. So this term becomes 2i plus 6j plus 3k. So now we can easily write the equation of tangent line. And it is rt is equal to r of t naught plus t r dash t naught. That is, what is r of t naught? R of t naught is I plus 2j plus 3k plus t into r dash t naught is 2i plus 6j plus 3k. See, this is the equation of tangent line. Now you have a confusion about vector rt. See, the given curve is vector rt, and also the equation of tangent line is vector rt. See, this is a curve and this is the equation of tangent line. See, it is again a function of t, because see, the right side is r t naught plus t to r dash t naught. See, here t is the parameter. See, it is in terms of the parameter t, so we can represent the tangent line again as rt. So don't make confusion based on this rt and this rt. Anyway, this is the equation of tangent line at t equal to 1. Next, we have to write its parametric equations or the parametric representation of the tangent line. See how to write the parametric representation of the tangent line. See, the vector form of any curve in space is vector rt is equal to xti plus ytj plus ztk. And the parametric representation of this curve is x equal to x of t, y is equal to y of t, z equal to z of t. See, this is the parametric representation of this curve. Here, x equal to xt. xt means the coefficient of I. Yt is the coefficient of j. Zt is the coefficient of k. So, how can you write the parametric representation of our tangent line? So, write the equation of tangent line as, you write it component ways, that is coefficient of I plus coefficient of j plus coefficient of k. That is coefficient of I, it is 1 plus 2t. Coefficient of j, 2 plus 6t. Coefficient of k, it is 3 plus 3t. Now you can easily write the parametric equations of the tangent line. So what is x? X is the coefficient of I, that is 1 plus 2t. Y is 2 plus 6t. Z equal to 3 plus 3t. See, these are the parametric equations of the tangent line. Next, we have to find the tangent line of the curve rt is equal to 3t minus 1 I plus square root of 3t plus 4 into j at t naught equal to 1. We know the equation of tangent line through t naught is vector r equal to r t naught plus t r dash t naught. Here t naught is given as 1. Here equation of tangent line through t naught is vector r equal to r of 1 plus t r dash 1. We have rt is equal to, given curve is 3t minus 1 into I plus root 3t plus 4 into j. Here the coefficient of k is absent, so it's a plain curve. Next we have to find r dash t. What is r dash t? Derivative of 3t minus 1 is 3. So 3i plus derivative of, what is derivative of root x? It is 1 by 2 root x. So its derivative is 1 by 2 into root 3t plus 4 into derivative of 3t, which is 3 into t. That is r dash t is 3i plus 3 by 2 into root 3t plus 4 t. Next we have to find these two terms. So what is r of 1? R of 1 is, you put equal to 1. So it is 3 minus 1, that is 2y plus root 7j. Next, r dash of 1. You put t equal to 1. R dash of 1 is 3i plus 3 by 2 into root, when t is 1, it is root 7j. So we can easily write the equation of the tangent line through t naught. It is rt is equal to, you put it in equation number 1. R of 1 is 2i plus root 7j plus t into 3i plus 3 by 2 root 7. See, this is the equation of tangent line. Our next question is, write the parametric equations of the tangent line to the circular helix x equal to cos t, y equal to sin t, and z equal to t at t equal to pi. See, the curve is circular helix and it is given as x equal to cos t, y equal to sin t, and z equal to t. See, really, these are its parametric equations. If we know the parametric equations of a curve, suppose the parametric equations are x equal to xt, y equal to yt, and z equal to z of t. Then equation of the curve is vector rt is equal to xti plus ytj plus zt k. Here x is cos t, y is sin t, z equal to t. So we can write the equation of the curve as xti, x equal to xt. See, this is x equal to x of t. What is x of t? It is cos t. So rt is cos ti, rt, its representation is cos ti plus sin tj plus tk. See, this is the equation of the given curve and it is the circular helix. It's an important curve. The equation of the circular helix in vector representation is like this, and this is its parametric representation. Here we have to find the parametric equations of the tangent line. We know equation of tangent line through t naught is here t naught is given as pi. So equation of tangent line through pi is vector r is equal to vector r of pi plus t into r dash pi. See, this is the tangent line. So we have to find r dash t. What is r dash t? You consider rt, you differentiate with respect to t. So you differentiate this term, the derivative of cos t is minus sin t I plus cos t j plus k. Next we have to find r of pi. What is r of pi? See, r of pi is, you put t equal to pi, it is cos pi I plus sin pi j plus pi k. What is cos pi? It is minus 1. Sin pi is 0. See, this is r pi. Next, r dash pi. R dash pi, you put in this equation, it is minus sin pi I plus cos pi j plus k. That is 0, it is minus 1 minus j plus k. You put in equation number 1. We get the equation of tangent line. Put in 1. We have vector r is equal to minus I plus pi k plus t into minus j plus k. Our question write the parametric equations of the tangent line. So what is the parametric representation of the tangent line? X equal to, x is coefficient of I. What is the coefficient of I? It is minus 1. Y is equal to, y is the coefficient of j, it is minus t. Z is equal to coefficient of k, that is pi plus t. See, these are the parametric equations of the tangent line through pi. Next, we have to find the parametric equations of the tangent line of the curve rt is equal to log t I plus e raised to minus t j plus t raised to 4 k at t not equal to 2. See here, this is natural logarithm and its derivative is also 1 by 2. See, we know equation of tangent line through t naught is, here t naught is given as 2. So equation of the tangent line is vector r equal to r vector r2 plus t into r dash of 2. Here what is vector rt? Vector rt is log t I plus e raised to minus t j plus t raised to 4k. You find r dash t. You take its derivative, it is 1 by t I plus e raised to minus t into minus 1 into j plus 4t cube k. That is vector r dash t is 1 by t I minus e raised to minus t j plus 4t cube k. Next you find r of 2. That is r of 2. You put t equal to 2 here. That is log 2i plus e raised to minus 2j plus 2 raised to 4 is 16t. Again, r dash of 2, 1 by 2i minus e raised to minus 2j plus 32t. See, this is the equation of tangent line through t naught equal to 2. You put in equation number 1. We have equation of tangent line is log 2i plus e raised to minus 2j plus 16k plus t into 1 by 2i minus e raised to minus 2j plus 32k. See, this is the equation of tangent line. Now here we have to find the parametric equations of the tangent line. So what are the parametric equations of the tangent line? X equal to xt. xt is the coefficient of I. What is coefficient of I? Log 2 plus t by 2. Y, coefficient of j, that is e raised to minus 2 plus minus t e raised to minus 2, that is e raised to minus 2 into 1 minus t. Z is 16 plus t 32. See, these are the parametric equations of the tangent line. Next, I suppose to give a question for you. You have to answer this question. Our question is, find the parametric equations of the tangent line of the curve vector rt is equal to 2 cos pi t I plus 2 sin pi t j plus 6 tk at t equal to 1 by 3. We know the equation of tangent line through t naught. Here you find r dash t. Next you find vector r at 1 by 3 and the r dash at 1 by 3 and substitute in this equation. Then you can easily write the parametric equations of the tangent line. And you will get the answer as x equal to 1 minus root 3 pi t, y is root 3 plus t pi, and z is 2 plus 60.